Welcome to the Weather Centre, everyone. Over the past 24 hours, a strong cold front has moved in over western and southern South Africa, pushing in lots of cold air behind it and bringing with it showers along the southern and west coasts of the country. On Sunday, the cold front will continue moving in over the eastern half of the country. Behind it, showers are still expected at first for the south coast, while ahead of the cold front, it's going to be another hot day for the Lowveld. Over the central parts, it's going to be partly cloudy with cold to very cold conditions across the region, while along the eastern coastline, we're expecting mainly cloudy skies as well as a chance of showers. The South African Weather Service has issued an advisory for very cold conditions across the southern high ground of the country, maximum temperatures at or below 10 degrees Celsius on Sunday afternoon. A mainly cloudy day is expected for KwaZulu-Natal, cool temperatures for much of the region with a bit of light rain in places. Over the southern interior, on the other hand, it's going to be cold to very cold with temperatures in the lower teens. An especially cold day is forecast for the Eastern Cape. Mountain snowfalls are expected, particularly in the morning, and there's up to a 60% chance of rain along the eastern coastline of the province. 15 degrees for Port Elizabeth and Port Alfred. Similar along the south coast of the Western Cape, morning rain expected across that area. Further westwards, it's going to remain dry, partly cloudy to sunny skies. 16 degrees for Hermanus as well as Langebaan. Sutherland reaches a high of only 9 degrees, mainly sunny skies in the forecast, while along the western coastline it's going to be clear and dry, where temperatures peak in the lower 20s. Cloudy at first for some parts of the Northern Cape. It's going to be a cold afternoon, mid to lower teens for most places. Similar over the Free State under partly cloudy skies, Bethlehem and Harrismith both reaching a high of only 11 degrees. The cold weather will also extend across the northwest province. It's going to be a mainly sunny day with no rainfall expected. And over Limpopo, it's going to be quite warm for most areas and particularly hot for the Lowveld, 30 degrees for Musina as well as for Palabora. Evening drizzle and fog patches settle in along the eastern escarpment of South Africa. It's going to be a cold day over the high veld of Mpumalanga with a high of only 14 into Ermelo. Now, Gauteng's also not escaping the cold conditions. 16 degrees as a high across the southern parts, and Pretoria reaches a high of 18 with mostly sunny skies. Very windy weather along the east coast of the country on Sunday. Durban and Richards Bay both experiencing southwesterlies at 55 kilometers per hour. A very cold start to Monday morning is expected, and temperatures warm into the mid-teens across the central parts. Lots of sunshine over the western half of the country. And on Tuesday, we're expecting warming conditions across South Africa. Sunny skies along the eastern coastline, and Pretoria warms to 20 degrees.
News that moves. eNCA.com.